Yeah. At the early hours of today, being 16th of August 2025, these people were arrested at Peru. This Mr. Your name, please.
Just times.
Just
times.
You are who?
I'm Harris Boyson.
Where do you work?
INEC.
With the following woman. This woman too was arrested. Your name? Where do you work? INEC. The two of them are staffs of the INEC. They were posted here to conduct the by-election to the Federal House of Representatives. And instead of them to do the right thing, they were met obnobbing with politician who sent for them to collect money. So this money was recovered from this INEC man. He claimed to have been sent for by a politician who contacted his constituency
Supervisor.
It was the supervisor now that sent him to go and collect this money from the politicians. This money, each amount of money was found on them. They are giving police useful information on this case. Not done yet. Information got to us again, and in the process, the INEC man revealed to us that he was met with that the man that gave him the money was with some people in a chalet in a hotel here in Peru, and on getting to that hotel, these three people were met in a room. Your name, sir?
Jonathan.
Speak up, please.
Jonathan.
Jonathan. Jonathan what?
Okay.
And
Hakim.
Hakim.
Yes.
You are
Hakim Oyinola.
Yes, sir. And your name, sir?
Biovitera.
What, sir?
Biovitera.
And who are you?
I'm a state official of PDP. But you are talking about the money. I don't know nothing about the money. I don't know when the money is given. I'm here to know why I'm invited here.
So far so good. We're having these people with us, and investigation continue, please.